I know I should be sleeping, but I just can't seem to figure myself out any more than usual. I'm nearly 23 and still not very interesting. I might as well find a little time to kill. Don't be long, I just might be wrong, 'cause I left my heart in Tokyo, and now I'm finding my way back home. 'Cause I left my heart in Tokyo, and I know that it won't be long. Your interest laying nicotine and anything that isn't me. Start feeling sorry for yourself, pretend you're with somebody else. Acting so familiar, I'm not like you. Wasting all my money for fun, but I'm just playing pretend. I just want it to end. Don't be long, I just might be wrong, 'cause I left my heart in Tokyo, and now I'm finding my way back home. 'Cause I left my heart in Tokyo, and I know that it won't be long. Cause I left my heart in Tokyo, and now I'm finding my way back home. 'Cause I left my heart in Tokyo, and I know that it won't be long.
I've let you cross me, my mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't wanna talk this out. And I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can't this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't wanna talk this out. And I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me.
I know I should be sleeping, but I just can't seem to figure myself out any more than usual. I'm nearly 23 and still not very interesting. I might as well find a little time to kill. Don't be long, I just might